This dance is called Bumblebee. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with a couple of toe struts. First one out to the side. So step the right toe to the side, lower the right heel. Second one's a cross strut, so cross the left, over the right, lower the heel. Add on a mambo cross, rock to the side, recover, cross right over left. Vine with a quarter turn, left to the side, cross right behind, quarter turn left, stepping forward on that left, brush the right. And a rocking chair just to finish this little section. So rock forward on the right, recover, rock back on the right, recover. A lot of steps means a lot of hand counts. So that section once more then. Side strut, cross strut, off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. We're going to repeat that section once more. So side strut off on the right, 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. So the dance starts off with 2 sections with exactly the same steps in. So let's just do those 2 sections once more. Side strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Two more mambo crosses. So rock to the side on the right, recover, cross the right arm over the left. Repeat with the left, rock to the side, recover, cross left over right. Vine to the right with quarter turn, side, behind, quarter turn. Step forward on the left, pivot to quarter turn right, cross the left over the right. So that last section then, mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot, cross. Let's add that to the top. Side strut off on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot, cross. Half a rumba box forward. Step right to the side, left beside the right, step the right forward, touch. Couple of side touches. Left to the side, touch right, right to the side, touch left. Another half rumba box forward. Left to the side, right beside left, left forward. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn left, run forward, right, left. End of dance when you get to that point. So that last section once more then. Half a rumba box forward, half on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, step, brush, step, pivot, run. So there is actually a little brush there at the end of that second half rumba box. So let's put it all together. Side strut, half on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Mambo cross, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross, side, close, step, touch, side, close, step, brush, step, pivot, run, run. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side strut, half on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So like I said, a lot of round counts. So that is your dance, but it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join each other. Side strut, half on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross. Side, close, step, touch, side, close, step, brush, step, pivot, run, run. Side strut, cross, mambo, cross. Side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross, mambo, cross. Side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, cross. Side, close, step, touch, side, close, step, brush, step, pivot, run, run. Now there are 2 little tags and 1 restart in this dance. The tags are both the same, so that helps. Nice and easy, side touch, side touch. First one comes at the end of wall 3. Wall 3 will be your 12 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 6 o'clock when you actually do the tag. Simply side touch, side touch. The second one comes on wall 6, after 16 and counts. Wall 6 is your 6 o'clock wall. So you basically do those first 2 sections, which are exactly the same. Then you add on your tag, side touch, and you'll restart the dance at that point, facing 12 o'clock. So let's do wall 6. Take you up to the tag, restart point, and restart the dance. Side strut, half on the right. 7, 8, side strut, cross, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Tag, side touch, restart, side strut, cross strut. So that's your tag and restart point. So the first tag, end of wall 3, second tag, wall 6, after 16 and counts, and a restart. So that's your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Cross strut, mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Side strut, cross strut, mambo. Mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair. Mambo cross, side behind turn, step, twist, cross, side curve, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side curve, step, brush, step, run, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, twist, cross, side curve, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side curve, step, brush, step, hear it run, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair, side strut, cross strut, mambo cross, side behind turn, brush, rocking chair, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, cross, side curve, step, touch, side touch, side touch, side curve, step, brush, step, hear it run and tag, side touch, struts. Toe struts. Mambo cross. Rumba. Mambo cross. Rumba. Side touch, restart.
Chase the clouds away, just you and me. We're here to Bumblebee under the apple tree, where we dance carefree. Just you and me, just you and me, just you and me, just you and me, just you and me.
Hope you managed that one.